Place the mixer inside your matcha shaker. For the 12-ounce size, add 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of matcha, depending on how strong you like it. Add 2 to 3 ounces of room temperature water. This amount of water ensures a smooth matcha concentrate. Close the lid and shake vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. Remove the lid and top off the mixture with hot water at your preferred drinking temperature. For a hot matcha to go, it doesn't get easier than that. For an iced version, add cold water and ice instead of hot. The insulated shaker will keep matcha cold for hours. Enjoy.